Hey guys, it's Eddie. It's July 8th. As you can see, it's a rainy day. It's raining. Okay. Crazy day. Rain. But anyways, yeah. I'm here playing with some little dynamite. It's cool. Like little dynamite. Well, since I've been bored a lot, I've just been popping them in water. Yeah, I guess they're waterproof, since they're waterproof and everything. But yeah. Leave me a comment below saying what I should blow up. I mean, I only got, I guess, 100 of these left. And tell me what I should do, blow up, or anything, you know? Just leave it down below. Make sure you subscribe too. Alright, well, I guess since it's starting to rain harder, yeah, I guess I'll do a little pause break here for you in the water. Hold on, guys. Hopefully y'all can see that. Here we go. Lighting it. It popped. Alright. Well, like I said, leave me a comment below what I should blow up. Make sure you subscribe. Alright? See y'all later.